Xfinity Mobile's trade-in program lets you exchange your old devices for bill credits toward new ones. To start, check your device's eligibility, including model, condition, and IMEI on the Xfinity mobile app or website for an initial quote. If eligible, you'll mail your device to Comcast using a prepaid shipping label. Once inspected, which usually takes 2 to 4 days, credits are applied to your account as bill credits. These credits are usable within 12 months for new devices or monthly service fees. Trade-in values range from $0 to $1,000, depending on the device, its condition, good, fair, poor, and carrier compatibility. High-end models in good condition fetch the highest returns. You must be an active Xfinity Mobile subscriber, and the device must be unlocked and free of major damage. To maximize value, back up and erase personal data, thoroughly clean the device, include original accessories if possible, and trade in during promotional periods for bonus credits. Remember that iPhones require iCloud removal.